Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the old photo to become a revive video. So how to do that? So don't go anywhere and let's get into it. So the first step you need to do is don't forget to install this PixVerse from the Play Store or the App Store if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS. And since I'm using the Android phone, then I have installed it from the Play Store. And don't forget to do the login first. And after you did the login, it will earn you this credit to do some action with this, let's say with this template or this example. So since we would like to create the old photo to become alive or to become revived, then we will go into this template and you can start to scroll and choose this template name old photo revival and use this template. Then it will direct you into the gallery. You can select this picture. So this is the example if you would like to create this revive old photo. Then it will also need you to take this 20 credits. Since I have 100, then it is enough actually. So I will create it and let this application to generate your video. It might take a minute to revive it. Then you can also explore and hunting while waiting for this generation. And since we have information that this picture already been generated, then we will go to the notification over here, excuse me, and your video is ready. Let's see the picture. So this video can help you, let's say, to nostalgic, or you can also put the photo, your favorite photo or your favorite old photo, let's say from your childhood, and you can also generate it into the video. And this is the example of result. And you can also download this photo or this result video and you can start to post it into your favorite social media. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your device and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. So that's all from me, thank you for watching and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel to watch more another video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.